Hey guys, today I'm gonna be popping a squishy
This
with
squishy.
my cousin.
This one right here. Oh, you can't see. This one, because we just popped the other one and it popped all on me. So why not just pop this one? Cause.
So where are we gonna pop it up?
I don't know. I'm just trying
On
to.
my butt cheeks?
Let me just try to put a hole in it. Oh, okay. I made a hole.
Made a hole in it.
Go over here. Ready? Come. Go. Where is it?
Oh!
The plants are right here. It's dripping. Okay.
Wait. Maybe throw it, just splat it on the floor. Really quick. Oh! Didn't do anything.
I know, but it's still popped.
You're not.
Oh!
You're not.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Show her.
You're not showing it.
Oh my goodness.
Your face came out.
No. Oh my gosh, there's like stuff in it. What the heck?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ezra, stay up here. I have an idea. Talk to them about it.
Yeah. What? What did you do?
Notice anything?
Let me. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It just went all over me. It went all over me. That's like a butt cheek. Okay, come.
Go ahead, have her dress on backwards all day.
Oh no, what are you doing?
It's me on the feather leaf.
Oh my gosh! What are you doing? You want to get back up? Please. What's his butt cheek? Oh! Okay.